everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix call failed error on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. Method number 1 is clear cache. For Android users, clearing the cache and data of the Messenger app can help fix the issue. Go to your phone settings and find Messenger. Select clear cache and clear data. For iOS users, you can try offloading the app with frees up space without deleting your data. Method number 2 is restart Messenger. From your recent app and then reopen it. This can refresh the app and resolve minor glitches. Third method is restart your phone. To resolve the call failed issue on Messenger, this refreshes your network connection and clears any temporary glitches causing the problem. Next method would be check your internet connection. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Messenger calls requires a stable connection. So make sure you're either on a strong Wi-Fi network or have a good cellular data. For the last method, we have update Messenger. Sometimes the error is due to an outdated version of Messenger. So head over to your app store and check if there is an update available. Keeping your apps up to date ensures they run smoothly. And that's it. I hope that one of these solutions fixed the call failed error for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!